Discovering the right tools can make any task easier, more efficient, and even enjoyable. In the world of innovation and practicality, there's a treasure trove of cool tools waiting to be explored. From woodworking wonders to smart solutions for everyday challenges, here's a curated list of 24 remarkable tools that can revolutionize how you approach various tasks. Let's dive into the world of innovation and discover the tools you never knew you needed. Insulating 4-in-1 box wrench. Specifically designed for working with power installations up to 1,000 volts, this lineman insulating box wrench ensures safety with its see-through insulating handle, preventing contact between metal ends. Offering 4 different heads for sizes ranging from 12.7 to 19.05 millimeters, this wrench is priced at $45, prioritizing both functionality and safety. Sember 218B. Tailored for railroaders, the Sember 218B cordless torque wrench is designed to endure temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Delivering a maximum torque of 250 Nm for threaded connections, it weighs a manageable 14 kilograms, enabling easy single-worker transportation. Equipped with a built-in color display for viewing settings and supporting USB drives, this torque wrench facilitates convenient work reporting. Lewis Chainsaw Winch Kit. This kit transforms a chainsaw into a highly functional winch capable of pulling up to 3.6 tons at a speed of 24 meters per minute. At $550, this upgrade allows you to connect the winch to a tree or vehicle, offering remarkable pulling power and versatility in various situations. Roller Cleaner Tool. Painters, meet your new best friend, the Roller Cleaner Tool. This versatile tool functions as both a scraper and roller cleaner, ensuring a tidy cleanup process. It's designed to efficiently clean rollers up to 23 centimeters wide, available for just $7. TerraPump. TerraPump introduces the TerraPlunge, a solution for unclogging pipes without relying on household chemicals or traditional plungers. This tool utilizes compressed air with a pressure of up to 6 bars, effectively clearing organic matter and debris, including items like napkins. It comes with various adapters catering to different pipe sizes, including toilet bowls, all available for a price of $32. Featherboard Plus. This tool offers excellent support while working with a circular saw or similar equipment. Its innovative EUGA-made feathers provide superior kickback resistance compared to traditional plastic ones. A set of 6 feathers is available for $35, ensuring enhanced safety and stability during your woodworking tasks. Leister Vacuum Plate 300. The Leister Vacuum Plate 300 offers a precise solution for leak detection in roofing membranes like HCP, vinyl, and EPDM. Weighing 7.7 kilograms, this system boasts a VarioFlow valve for meticulous vacuum pressure control, enabling inspection of even the thinnest membranes. RZ Root Saw. RZ Wurzelsaw stands out due to its impressive size, available in lengths from 50 to 125 centimeters, ranging from a basic 15 millimeters thickness to heavy-duty versions attached to 19-ton excavators. These saws effectively handle even the most stubborn old roots. Equipped with a special fang at the end for better grip and leverage, these saws are an ideal solution for challenging tasks. Rothenberger Deburrer. Ideal for air conditioning and plumbing installers, the Rothenberger Deburrer is a compact tool suitable for expanding holes up to 54 millimeters in copper and stainless steel pipes. Weighing 400 grams, this efficient deburring tool is available for $129. WoodWeld TRX 800. The innovator behind the WoodWeld TRX 800 welding helmet noticed that 9 out of 10 welders tend to overlook the use of power-assisted air purifying respirators or paper units due to their weight and cost. To address this, the creator developed a welding helmet incorporating a paper unit that's 30% lighter than conventional ones. The design facilitates quick filter changes, and it comes equipped with a built-in speaker. The Kickstarter campaign for this helmet is scheduled to launch on November 20th. Rigid C-style tubing cutters. These handheld tubing cutters by Rigid are perfect for trimming pipes in confined spaces where larger cutters won't fit. They efficiently work with copper pipes ranging from 12.7 to 19 millimeters in diameter, guaranteeing clean and precise cuts every time. Available at $42, these cutters are a reliable addition to your toolbox. Versatile 4-in-1 folding workbench. A versatile addition to our showcased multi-tools, this innovative workbench doesn't just serve its primary functions, but also transforms into a step, dolly, and creeper. Adjustable from 9 to 77 centimeters in height, its double-sided tabletop enhances usability. Boasting 3 110 outlets, this multifunctional table is available for $194. Optima Chisel Plane. Crafted to fit into tight spaces where larger tools can't reach, the Optima Chisel Plane presents a compact solution for $120. Offering a choice between maple or coca bolo handles, it maintains high-quality American two-tool steel construction. Digital Angle Finder. A digital angle finder proves to be a useful tool for both amateurs and professionals. The showcased model boasts exceptional accuracy within its class, with a margin of plus or minus 0.2 degrees. It securely locks at desired angles for precise marking when required, powered by a AAA-type battery. Its LED display presents data clearly under any lighting conditions, complemented by rulers featuring millimeter and inch scales. This angle finder is priced at $35. Ox Pro Claw Bar. Stand out with the Ox Pro Claw Bar, a unique hammer renowned for its specialized head and non-slip handle. Beyond hammering nails, it excels at prying and removing them. Available in 2 sizes, 25 and 30 centimeters, the larger variant costs $21. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader. Revolutionizing threading tools, Milwaukee's cordless wonder not only operates sans cords but also accommodates accessories from various brands. Ideal for pipes ranging 3.2 to 51 millimeters in diameter, a single charge manages 60 operations with 12.7 millimeters diameter pipes. Priced at $2,295, it's a game changer. Unger Telescopic Bulb Changing Kit. Say goodbye to traditional bulb changing methods with the Unger Telescopic Bulb Changing Kit, featuring telescopic handles spanning from 1.2 to 6 meters. This tool ensures safety and ease. Compatible with various bulbs, it includes interchangeable grips and a set with a 3.3 meters handle plus 5 grips, all for $50. Jake's Wire Tightener Clips. Simplify wire fence repairs with these clips and a dedicated handle. Priced at $54, these clips facilitate tension adjustments without the need for wire cutting, preventing potential kinks that might lead to wire breakage over time. Portable Folding Spotlight. Illuminate your workspace with the Portable Folding Spotlight. With a battery life of 4.5 hours, adjustable brightness from 1,500 to 5,000 lumens, and a tripod extending to 1.9 meters, it's a versatile lighting solution. Weighing just 5.2 kilograms, it's both powerful and portable. Dot Shot Dispenser. Widely favored in warehouses and packaging facilities, the Dot Shot Dispenser excels with cans and plastic bottles. Producing a line of glue dots spaced 3.2 millimeters apart, it adjusts dot sizes for various materials. Priced at $80, with an additional $18 for a roll of tape. Precision Rasp Shaver. Introducing a must-have for carpentry aficionados, the Precision Rasp Shaver. Its innovative design incorporates snap-secured blades for effortless replacement. Weighing a mere 45 grams, it's a breeze to handle. The standard kit features a 10 centimeters wide curved blade, perfect for efficiently shaving corners. All this convenience at a mere $10. Prezi Beam Cutter. Transform your regular circular saw into a powerful tool capable of cutting beams up to 30 centimeters thick effortlessly. The Prezi PR2700 kit, compatible with most circular saws, including popular models from Bosch, DeWalt, and Makita, requires an S-blade diameter of 184 millimeters. Available at $170, this kit provides a cost-effective way to expand your saw's capabilities. Wacom Air Blower Pro. A must-have in auto repair shops, the Wacom 6150 blower elevates the drying process for different coatings like car enamel, boosting airflow by 40% to 3 bar pressure and 265 liters per minute. This blower is available for $102, enhancing efficiency. Einhell Brillianto. Meet a versatile cordless tool designed primarily for window cleaning. The Einhell Brillianto not only cleans effectively, but also features a built-in mechanism to collect dirty water. With optional attachments and a 120 centimeters extension for reaching higher spots, it's not limited to windows. It works wonders on tiles, shower stalls, and more. The tool, without a battery, is priced at $58. We hope you enjoyed discovering these 24 amazing tools that can truly elevate your DIY game. Don't miss out on more exciting content like this. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe to stay updated on our latest tool recommendations, and share this video with fellow enthusiasts. Your support means the world to us, and together, let's keep exploring and uncovering the coolest tools out there. Thanks for watching.